Welcome everybody. Today we've got the L.C.V Recon Sled. It's a pretty simple thing. These wheels don't even move on this part. It's only this one. But there's a little wheel right here that I actually just noticed it was falling apart. Evidently, there's probably another one there. But that middle wheel rolls, and I've probably lost one in here. I hadn't even noticed that it wasn't together. Okay, so it snaps together there. Okay, but anyways, this one was actually, I wasn't sure about it when I first got it. Let me grab Sarge here. He'll be a good driver for it. I thought it was cool. It's got slots in here where you can actually put their arms. I think it's supposed to bend his knees. Head under the canopy. He might not be a good one for it since he's got his hat on. And my windshield isn't super stable. But I am missing, there's like the engine is back here, it's supposed to be mounted back here, and if I've got it, I haven't found it yet, but they got the little side arms and got the cannon on the back. Essentially sort of a, I think maybe we're supposed to put his legs into the holes back here. I'm not sure. So it's been a long time since I played with it, but it seems like I remember the hands do fit in there pretty good. And this is a supposed periscope, so you can see to drive it. And that's, it doesn't seem like that's the proper mounting for a realistic drive, but it's for an action figure that's not bad. It took me a while to adapt to this one, but once I sort of figured out what they were trying to do with it, I sort of got it, and I thought that's a cool little. And it looks like it's got footrests here, so maybe you're supposed to also be able to do it like that. I'm not sure about that though, 'cause it doesn't seem like you can reach the control. Well, maybe it wouldn't be too bad, I guess, if he'd lean up some. But anyway, that's the L.C.V Recon Sled. I think that this came out about the time when there was Serpentor and everything, because that's when they were in the cartoons. I was reading that they made this. This is what they used to try and defend Napoleon's tomb when they were collecting all the DNA to create Serpentor. Give you a front look. It does have a headlight in 1986 Hasbro, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. It's got a hinged middle too, so it's sort of all-terrain-ish. Anything else I haven't spotted on it yet? I think that's about all I can say about that. Like I said, I'll keep my eyes out to see if I can find that engine, because I'm pretty sure that's what that was back there. And but anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Got plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.